This chicken and green Agworo Agwo with Efo Riro is so fresh, tasty and easy to make. And the green color is everything. Let me show you how I made this. I'm using the chicken I had left from the day I made my insala soup. I added the washed chicken into a pot. Then I added Knorr cubes, thyme, onion and salt. I gave everything a good stir and allowed the chicken to cook in its own juice and release all that natural flavor. Once the chicken had released its juice, I added more water and allowed it to cook until tender. While the chicken was cooking, I prepared my Efo Riro. I had already washed and cut the vegetables, so I poured hot water over them and turned them around and left them for just about 5 seconds. Then I quickly sieved out the hot water and transferred the vegetables into cold water. After that, I squeezed out the excess water and set the vegetables aside. This blanching step is very important because it helps prevent the Efo Riro from releasing too much water into our Agworo Agwo. It also helps the vegetables retain that beautiful green color. If you skip this step, the vegetable can release plenty of water and make your Agworo Agwo watery. In a pan, I added groundnut oil, onions, blended peppers and Sombo peppers. I allowed the pepper mixture to fry for a few minutes. Then I added my cooked chicken. You can fry the chicken first if you prefer, but I didn't fry mine because I wanted that fresh chicken taste and texture. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more delicious Nigerian recipes. Thank you. Next, I added curry, kitchen glory, Knorr cubes and crayfish. I stir everything together and adjust the salt. Then I added my blanch Efo Riro and mixed everything together. At this point, you don't need to cook it for long. Just about 2 minutes is enough to bring everything together while keeping the vegetable fresh and green. And just like that, our chicken and green Agworo Agwo with Efo Riro is ready. Look at that beautiful color and all those delicious pieces of chicken. I dished it out and sprinkled some Ugba on top. And let me tell you, this was absolutely delicious. We even use it to eat white rice and it paired perfectly with it. If you tried this recipe, let me know how it turned out in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone who would love this recipe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.